station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching car. That's perfect! Wow! Thanks for helping out. Let's go find that toy. Great! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we help pull? Amazing! That's perfect! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curve. Swipe left or right to keep the train on. That's perfect! Super! That was super cool! Time to pick a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Where to now? The rolling bridge is just there! Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! Ha! We're always happy to help. Pick any toy you'd like. Let's go find that toy. I love that. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging them back into their packs. Perfect! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want it? Right leads to the town square station. We're almost at the town square. Right leads to Cannonball. We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Forward. Left leads to the boulder cliffs. Forward leads to the pig farm. Left leads to near the pig farm. Let's go!